The Chenab Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir will be the highest railway arch bridge in the world at 359 meters, that is 1,178 feet, even taller than the Eiffel Tower. Nearly 500 locals have been employed in various categories through this project.
इससे हमारा टूरिज्म वगैरह भी बढ़ जाएगा काफ़ी और डेवलपमेंट के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे.
Chenab Bridge will have the widest span of Indian broad gauge railway network in the country. It is the first time in the world that a bridge has been designed for blast load in consultation with the Defence Research and Development Organization. Indian Railways for the first time used the phased array ultrasonic testing machine for inspection of welds in bridge in India.
ये काफ़ी दुर्गम क्षेत्र है, कोई सड़क वगैरह नहीं थी. तो रेलवे ने जब इस पुल पर कार्य शुरू किया तो कार्य को शुरू करने के लिए मशीनरी ले जाने के लिए करीब 20-22 किलोमीटर सड़क बनाई है और एक सुरंग का भी निर्माण किया जो कि 400 मीटर लंबी है.
The Chenab Site Lab has been certified by National Accreditation Board for Laboratories for testing of welded elements for the first time on Indian Railways.
बाहर से लोग जहाँ पे आएंगे यानी कि टूरिज्म के तौर पे, तो वो जब आएंगे तो यहाँ के जो लोकल लोग हैं उनको काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा.
An extensive health monitoring and warning system will be planned for the bridge. The bridge is under construction between Bakhal and Kauri in Reasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. The project includes construction of several bridges and tunnels along the route, of which Chenab Bridge is one. It will span across the deep Chenab River and provide access to the Kashmir Valley from Udhampur.